name is Shivani. I have done my BTech from BPSMB Sonipat, Haryana. So, we have joined the QSPIDERS as we were the 16 members. We have joined in the January. So it's a long journey. As we joined as a Java full stack developer. Some has shifted to the Python. Some has shifted to the QA engineer. So we have worked hard so much, and the trainers here in the QSPIDERS helped us to learn about the core concept from the basics. When we join here, we don't know the things, how we have to work in the ID, how we have to learn the things. So the Debasi sir, Anvis sir and Harshal sir, all the trainers which taught us, which makes us understand in the depth how we have to do, how we have to take the things ahead. They have worked hard. We have given the presentation. They motivated us just to give the presentation, just to give the mock. Sometimes we conducted the re-mocks also. So it is the phase. Sometimes we have to go through a lot of things, but at the end you can we all can achieve the success. So yeah, I got placed finally in the associate software engineer. Thank you so much.